guys, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. But if you're new here, what's up? This is gonna be another one of my TJ Maxx and Marshalls hauls. I want to mention too though that I did a makeup look for this makeup already. It should be up already. I actually did this one in English and Spanish. So if you guys like the makeup look, make sure you check out the videos in either English or Spanish or both if you want. How I got this makeup look using TJ Maxx and Marshalls finds. Okay, all right. Let's just get on into this. It should be a quicker haul. We all know the basket of goodness. First thing that I got is just this Marc Jacobs Twinkle Pop eye stick color. It's like those crayons that are like the pencil eye colors. This one I got in the color Layla. I have to double check though and make sure that I don't have this color already. I don't think I do. If I do, then I'm just gonna keep it as collector because it's super cute. I love the packaging for these. It's Marc Jacobs and it was only $7.99 from TJ Maxx. So I got 3 more of the Anastasia Beverly Hills little eyeshadow singles. So these were all $3.99. I found these at the same TJ Maxx, if that matters. The first one I got is in the color RTW. I don't even understand. And then this one's in Realger. They kind of look pretty similar, at least in the packaging. I'm trying to avoid glare. I also got this lighter color one in the color Suede. And then so I guess we'll just stick with the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the ABH. Picked up the matte lipstick set. So this is like a bigger set. I think before it was like a trio or just 4 colors in there, but this one has 6 little mini lipsticks in it. Got this for $16.99. It says compare at $24. I don't know. You just get these 6 little mini colors. Why do I feel like Plumeria was in the other one? Okay, I'm confused because I thought these were different colors. I could have sworn they were. So I'm gonna have to double check that also because now I'm confused. Because it says Plumeria's in here. It's just a really pretty like purple color. There's Dusty Mauve, Ruby, Latte, Peachy, and Brandy. So I feel like some of these are definitely repeats that were in the other little mini matte lipstick set, so that's weird. Some more Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I managed to find some more of the lip gloss. I found 2 colors that I didn't have yet. These were $7.99 a piece. They say compare at $12. First one that I got is this one in the color Dainty. So it's this really pretty pale pink. Again, might be a color that I only put in the center of my lips. You guys know I'm weird about getting lip gloss from TJ Maxx and Marshalls. These I felt comfortable getting. I don't know why. There was a lot to choose from and I feel like this box like wasn't really messed with, so, or this one. But so I also got this one in the color Amber. But so this is more of like a peachy nude color. This one also might be a little light, but I like putting them just in like the center of my lips for like a little bit of dimension kind of. So like if we were to just go like, probably didn't make a difference. I can't really see what I'm doing right now. Oh, it was kind of the same color as what I already had on my lips, so that didn't really help. Oh, I guess I could have mentioned this with the Marc Jacobs. I managed to find one of the Marc Jacobs Dewdrops. It's the Coconut Gel Highlighter. This is the limited edition one. I don't know if there's a different color out there to find too, but I thought someone was finding the gold one. This one's in the color Fantasy, which is the rose gold. I did get this one for $19.99. It says compare at $30. I can't remember though if that's the actual price of this because I'm pretty sure though that these are still on the website, like Sephora's website, Marc Jacobs website. I feel like there's not really that much product, but hopefully I won't need too much of it, you know, to get like a nice payoff. Super excited to try these out. Even if I don't like the product alone though, the packaging itself is gorgeous and I have a makeup collection, so. And I found one thing from Smashbox. I picked up the Smashbox and Casey Holmes collab, the Spotlight palette in gold. I do actually have the pearl one also, but it wasn't like in the Casey Holmes box. I don't know. I got this for only $12.99. This is compared at $22. I had seen this one before, but they were still trying to get like, I think $20 for it when they were popping up before. So I'm so glad I didn't buy those because I was like, $20? Like, nah. Here is just the packaging for this one that she had helped them design. Mirror in here, and then you get your 3 highlighters. But I'm super excited to try this out because this was actually the one that I did want more than the lighter version, which is the pearl, because I think this one might be a little bit better for my skin tone. But I think she had said like when she made them that these were supposed to be really good if you do have like textured skin so that it doesn't like cling to it too much, which highlighters do tend to do. Right, now some Becca. I found one of these little Becca sets. This is the only one that I've seen so far at my stores anyways. This is the Becca Wake Up Call Kit. It's a natural glow travel duo. You get the First Light priming filter, which is just like the primer. So you get just like a little tube of the primer, and then you get the base. Wait, I'm confused. Shimmering Skin Perfector in Spotlight. Wait, Shimmering Skin Perfector Spotlight in Moonlight. Here is that one. So it's a highlighter. Define and highlight with portable Shimmering Skin Perfector Spotlight. I thought it was lip gloss, but it's not. It is a highlighter. So I'm super excited to try that out also. So that's what's in this little set. And I do like that it's small and travel friendly because I travel, I guess, apparently. But I got this for only $7.99, which I think is a great price. It says compare at $12. So can't be mad at it. I was super excited to find this that day because I honestly didn't think I was gonna find anything when I ran in there really fast. But I did manage to find the Becca Volcano Goddess eyeshadow palette. Super excited. This one was $16.99. It does say compare at $24, and I got it from a TJ Maxx, if that matters. But I'm pretty sure both stores have it. And this though was like the only one that I saw in the store that day. What the heck? I did check this before I left the store. Oh man, I really can't open it right now. Palette's super pretty, and it was untouched, unswatched, so I was like, I put it in my cart so fast. It has a little plastic thing to cover up the eyeshadows, but you do get a full mirror in here, and then you get your gorgeous palette. I'm so happy because I honestly did not think I was gonna find this that day. And a shocking find that I think is super funny because when I saw it before, it's an eyeshadow palette, but when I saw it before, I told my mom when I was with her, oh, like I saw the reviews for this, it's not good, so I'm not gonna spend $50 on it, which is what they were trying to originally get. I think they were trying to get like $49.99. Sorry about my phone. And I was just like, I cannot justify that. Like I do really want it, but still for $50, and I heard the reviews were terrible, that people didn't really like it, but I managed to find it on clearance. So it is just the MAC, Jeremy Scott and MAC collab with the eyeshadow palette. This, like I said, they originally I think were trying to get $49, $50, but I actually got my markdown. It was only $20. So I was like, $20. It's more of like a collection piece to actually just add to the collection. But like it is huge. So it literally just looks like a boom box. Like how cute is that? It even has like a little handle, and then on the back you get all of the colors of the names of the colors. But the thing is, like when you open it, that it has like a whole mirror, like a full size mirror in here, full to the palette, and then it's got this little string that like holds it open so you can actually sit with it on the table if you want to, which is pretty nice. But I almost broke it. Yeah, the eyeshadow colors themselves though are so small. Like this is such a big palette. I just don't understand why they couldn't give you a little bit more of each color. Like I'm just kind of confused because you have so much like empty space here. I got it, like I said, mainly for collection purposes because I love Jeremy Scott, Moschino, love his collabs. I do have the Bear collab also from Sephora. This does have the color names also on the little paper. This goes on top. This palette is just ginormous, so this is like difficult for my life. Super happy to have this, and it was so weird because when I was like checking out, I was about to say when I was getting checked out. When I was checking out, there was like a guy bringing up like someone next to me, and even he was like, oh, that's a good choice. But like I was like, oh, because he just didn't seem like someone that would be like in the know of makeup. So to hear him say it, I was just like, oh, okay, cool. That is everything from this TJ Maxx and Marshalls finds. If you guys are on the lookout for any of these items, I am throwing positive vibes your way so that you guys find it when you are out again looking for it. Let me know in the comments if there's anything that you guys have seen people mention that I haven't shown yet that you think I should try out so I can be on the hunt for it as well. So if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channels and make sure you hit the bell notification. You guys know the drill so that you guys don't miss any of my uploads. It'll alert you every time I upload a video, and give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Por favor. That was like a lot to say. So that is it for this haul. It was a little bit faster today, thank the heavens. Yeah, so muchísimas gracias. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.